Molweni ku-Sporting Culture. Igama lami nguBhunguluthu Simama aka umqeqeshi. Yabona Tabzi yaficala ngami. Tabzi kunjani bo?
Kuhle bona kunjani?
Asinyamezele ihlo akho nto man igame ye-Orlando Pirates ne-Durban City but ibona njani?
You know, imini Saturday ibine excitement,
yes.
You know, all over the country. We were seeing posts as Nancy, you know, we are seeing a lot of confidence, you know, from fans, the Orlando Pirates, and rightfully so because their team has been on fire. I think Bana only 2 losses, you know, so they've been on fire. It was like sort of like a given, but they will win. And then we forgot Durban City, you know, the champs, you know, the champs is a promotion to EPSL and also recently crowned not so long ago in Nedbank, you know. So, and also it's in the top 8, né? So, see, take for granted, you know, but also knowing how Orlando Pirates has been playing, you know, but I think also after derby, things have changed a bit. You know, it's difficult to chase, you know, even though you are at an advantage, you know, it's difficult to chase. It's a high pressure situation, you know, they must deliver with 3 points and lift in derby, you know. I was surprised to see Uselebe, you know, starting their young midfielder, Uselebe. I was surprised to see him starting. I was surprised not to see Umakhopa starting, you know, and they have a beautiful combination with Tito, you know. So Tito started and Umbutuma started, you know. So Umbutuma was actually injured for Umakhopa to actually come in, and even then there wasn't much in the game. You know, there wasn't much in the game, even though we expected like a walkover. Umdomnins expected a walkover, but you know, Durban City hold their defenses properly. You know, you saw Orlando Pirates being frustrated. You were seeing a lot of shots outside the box, and there was a shot that was like, I thought Ibe could have a cool for Umbata to take a shot, but Umbata, you know, on a short end, you know, it could have been some moment of brilliance, but you know, feel still, you know, but that's the frustration, the pressure of being chasers, you know, even though on an advantage, they needed 3 points, you know, and then by winning there based on the goals, and then by last game, Bafumane a guard of honor, you know. So it's a high pressure situation, you know. They have to win it last game. If not, if it's a throw, then Mamelodi Sundowns is ready to lift, you know. But there wasn't much game. There wasn't much, you know.
Alright, times siyabulela kakhulu futhi kade besisitsho times i-points izawudropha yabo, and abantu babe expecting about i-points i-teams ezikwenza uchoice e-post uba hayi le game usiwinile, le game kuthiwe siyolift i-trophy. I mean opponent naye athi no, not good, yabo nizayibamba next time. This is us from Sporting Culture. Subscribe, view, follow every platform yethu. Peace.
Hey.